The world does not need another car brand. It needs a different one.
We can all agree on this.
We focus more on the user experience.
A lot more diverse. We think all the way from A to Z.
We're creating everything from the scratch. So it's
There's no legacy.
the thrill and the opportunities of creating completely new things.
We're not focusing on the car. We're pulling out the pieces out of the car industry.
The one and only France is working there.
The world is changing, so we said, let's grab that.
We challenge the traditional car industry and the things they have been doing for generations.
It's keeping us from evolving, and it's stopping us from cutting forward in this industry. It's not about the car, it's not about the engine, rims. It's about going where you need to be. It's about using the things we own in the way that makes sense today and for our future.
So what's it like working at Lynk Co?
We try to do, and I try to do within Lynk Co, is to create a culture where that's super open, that is fun, because I strongly believe that people who are enjoying what they do will do what they do better. I have massive respect for companies that have revolutionized the technology of a car and really made a big step forward on electromobility, which I think is really, really good. But I think that's only part of what this industry needs. This industry needs then, now that you have this super great products and cars, and we're not saying the others are stupid, we're clever. We're just saying there's something missing there. At least give it a try. I think if you see there's so many hassles around automobility and whether it's traffic jams or it's finding parking space, why can't that be part of the experience, that you avoid traffic jams, that you get support in parking, that your car gets washed, all these things, but also that you become like part of a community. And we're still working on what other services can be included and shouldn't be, but it has to be beyond the product. The product needs to be the start of an experience, not the end. Young people, they want to be mobile, they like cool brands, they want top quality and the latest technology, but they're not ready to pay $20,000 to buy some of these vehicles. They're not even ready to pay $500 per month for the next 12 months because they don't even know what they're going to do next month. They live day by day. So our model is to say, we do it on a monthly basis. You just buy mobility for a month. It's a bit like Netflix and Spotify. You don't buy the product, but the experience. Look, I always say, I think we're a lifestyle brand with a car.